my outfit for today here at the park with people around. This is my Aunt Paula dress. These are my favorite earrings. They're so classic. I have these beautiful bracelets. They're made out of ceramic. This bracelet, it matches with this. This one, I think it's my mom. This is Aunt Paula. Aunt Paula, a lot of green. And yes, I'm wearing a ponytail. I love the movement. Salve! These are my hair, by the way. Like Audrey. I wish. Let me know in the comments if you liked it. Daniela, your Italian teacher. Ciao. Let's go to the deers.